Hi, Dar here with Old Ash Artisans. Today we'll be showing you how to use the business card die. We're going to load this in the extruder. We've loaded our extruder and we're not going to use extremely wet clay. We're going to be using semi-dry clay. Try to hold the bottom to prevent it from misshaping. And extrude as much or as little as you want. Cut wire here. This is a perfect die to make test tiles for your glazes. So when you have a little bit on the end that's misshapen, you can use that. I'll go ahead and cut that end off. That's where it came out of the extruder. And then just make some, whatever size you like your test tiles to be. Perfect dip size. Just like that. On the back, you'll notice that there are some ridges, and here. So that's perfect for showing your glaze breaking and how it's going to look after it's been glazed. Okay, your standard business card is about 3.5 inches long, and so you'll want to cut it a little bit bigger than that, probably about 4 inches to allow for shrinkage in the kiln. This is an excellent production die. Very little effort is required. Here you can check if your sides aren't straight. By all means, make them straight so they make a nice straight business card die. Okay, so with one extrusion, we have several test tile pieces, several business card holders. And this one, I'm going to show you something a little different. You can put it together to hold several different business cards. So if you have, we've pre-cut these at a 30-degree angle, and it'll go together like this. So it can hold a business card here, and it can hold a business card here. You can build it as many as you'd like on that. So we're just going to score and slip and put that together real quick, just so you can see what that looks like. So we have our double business card there. We have single business cards there. There's the back, decorative. Feel free to imprint your own decorations, buttons, impressions, anything you can think of. You can write on them. And then there's your test tiles. Be sure and like us on Facebook, subscribe to us on YouTube, and follow us on Instagram. Thanks for watching.